Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Oluchi, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my Look Fantastic times Rituals beauty box. So this is what it looks like right here. It's a big and a heavy one. In a moment I'll be showing you guys what's inside this lovely box right here. So first of all, if you don't know, Look Fantastic is a monthly subscription beauty box, and they're based in the UK, but they also ship worldwide. So wherever you are, Look Fantastic ships to you. So let's get straight into today's beauty box. I'm so excited because, I mean, who doesn't love to receive gifts? And this was gifted to me from Look Fantastic. So this is what the box looks like right here, and it's a round box and it's quite heavy, trust me. Like, it's so heavy. I'm going to place it down here, and it's a very warm day, so if you see my face shine or see me get a bit sweaty, do not blame me. It's the weather. It's burning outside. I'll be going through the content of this lovely box with you guys. So when you open it up, this is what the content looks like. I can't really tip it because I don't want the content to, you know, fall off. So on the cover it says, escape the hectic pace of everyday life through deep relaxation and restful sleep. So that's what the cover there says. This whole box right here, the original price, like if you were to buy the products individually, it would cost you £80, but because it comes in this limited edition box right here, it would cost you £35 if you're a subscriber, a beauty box subscriber from Look Fantastic. Otherwise, if you're not a subscriber, then this box right here will cost you £40. And then let me go through the contents with you guys. So first of all, Rituals is basically a combination of luxury cosmetics that, like, basically they cater to, you know, home and then beauty. This particular box right here, it's inspired by the ancient Chinese concept of Jing, representing calmness, stillness and tranquility. My dear, this is what we need in this period, this like very uncertain times. Personally a Rituals customer, because I've got their scented candles, their sprays, their moisturizers, body scrub, you name it, and then their diffusers. They smell divine. In this box you have 6 items, so I will put the price of each item I'll mention in, like, up somewhere on the screen. First product in this beauty box that I'll be mentioning is this right here, and this is the Peaceful Sleep Shower. It contains sacred wood and lavender is believed to help to aid sleep. So yeah, basically this is a rich shower oil for a peaceful sleep. So yeah, this is what you get, the first product right here, and then it comes in 200 ml, so you get 200 ml worth of product right here. Anyway, that is what it looks like right here. And then the cover, I don't know if this is plastic, but it looks quite fancy, and yeah, it looks really cool. Then the second product I'll be talking about is this right here. This is a mild body scrub, and it contains sacred lotus and then jujube as well. And then this is what it looks like, a mild body scrub, and then it's made with love. So you get product worth 70 ml in this tube right here. The next product I'll be talking about, I'll be mentioning, is their hand lotion. So this is their instant care hand lotion, and it's for all skin types. And then I believe that most of the products in here is of natural origin. It says 95% of natural origin, and it's a natural hand care. It also contains sacred lotus and jujube, and it's the instant care hand lotion, and it comes in 70 ml as well. And the next product in this box right here is the deep sleep pillow mist. So this is a pillow mist which is supposed to aid in, like, relaxation and then sleeping, and then it contains sacred wood and lavender really aids in sleep, so it helps to get you relaxed and tranquil and calm you down, and then, you know, it helps you get a restful night's sleep. That's what it basically looks like. And so the other product is this right here. This looks really lovely. I love the packaging. It comes in like a green packaging, plastic packaging with wooden like cover. Yeah, and it's the Ritual of Jing Soothing Body Cream. It's a rich, nourishing body cream, and then it comes in 200 ml, so that's quite big. So it would take you quite some time to, like, go through this product. Like, it's made of sacred, it has Sacred Lotus and Jujube. And Jujube should be a Chinese fruit, because I had to like check it out, because it's my first time of hearing jujube, the word jujube. I was quite, I was quite curious. So that's what you get, and it's also made with love. Final product in this beautiful large box right here is this one. This is basically a protective like covering. The brown mesh is a protective covering, but it comes in like a frosted glass, and this is candle. This is like calming candle. So yeah, and it's quite big, so it weighs 290 grams. And then yeah, that's the final product in here, the candle from Ritual. So these are all the lovely products you get from this limited edition beauty box. So remember, if you're a Look Fantastic subscriber, you're going to get this box for £35 as opposed to getting it for £80. But if you're not a Look Fantastic subscriber, you'll get this for £80. And then if you'd like to subscribe or purchase this box, I'll put a link in the description box below on this amazing offer, because this is a limited edition box, so like they have limited boxes, so you have to be real quick, otherwise you might miss out on this lovely offer. So guys, just to say thank you for subscribing and for always watching my videos. I'll be doing a giveaway, and I'll be giving away this lovely box right here. Yes, I know I would have loved to keep it and then use it, because I love me some Ritual products, but I believe that yeah, someone out there would really love to have it. And then yes, so if you'd like to know how to get into this giveaway to participate, I'll put all the details in the description box below, and then so be sure to check it out. And then you never know, you might be the winner of this lovely box right here. Yes, and from time to time I'll be doing a giveaway. This has to be for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and then if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.